Hi children, welcome to Computer Education. I'm Reshma here. Today we are going to discuss about antivirus. Antivirus is a computer program. It is used to prevent, detect and remove malware. Malware means malicious software. Last class we have learned what is a virus. Virus is the software program which will be a threat to our computer system. So in order to detect it and delete it, we are using antivirus. These are all the examples: McAfee, Avast, Norton, etc. The scanning is the main process for the antivirus. The scanning is searching for infected files and threats. It can be done in 4 ways: full scan, quick scan, selective scan, external devices scan. Full scan means the entire computer files will be scanned. Quick scan, it will take only few time. It will do scanning in the system memory, hard drive, boot sectors, etc. Selective scans means specified file will be scanned. External devices scan means it will scan the removable objects that are connected to the computer, like a pen drive or CD, like that. Let's see how the scanning is being done. This is the first screen of AVG antivirus software. We can see the button scan now. When we click that, it will move to the other page which will give the 3 options. Here we can select scan whole computer, and after that click on the button start scan. So the processing will be done. We have to wait for some time. When the process is doing, we will get the detections. So if there is any threats to our computer, that will be detected and it will be listed out like this. After 100% scan, we can delete or empty vault all these threats. Delete means permanently removing the threats from our system. After removing it, we have to restart our computer system. So it will remove all the threats that is found by the AVG antivirus software. That's all today. Thank you.